Hi everyone, you're here at FWX Direct. Got a new fitting video for one of our double swivel seats. When we fit this into this VW T6.1 74 plate. So I'll take you around to show you how to fit the swivel. Right, we're inside this T6.1 74 plate, double swivel seat install. First thing, get access to the base. As you can see here, various wires, don't be alarmed, we're going to reuse some of them, disregard some of them. First step, this little fuse holder, that easily unclips out the way. Connection block here, this is fastened in with 2 bolts. Unbolt it, you'll be left with a plastic surround and a couple of connections. Disconnect all of that. On this side you've got your seat belt warning, pressure sensor. We're going to disconnect that and not use that again, so that's what we're going to be disregarding, and I'll show you what to do with that later on in the video. Right everyone, we've got all the wires disconnected here. Bit like spaghetti junction, but don't worry, very simple to put back together. Next step is to remove the 8 16mm nuts. As you can see around here, there's 2, another 2 just there, same on the other side, a 2 and a 2. So we're going to get them removed now. 16mm these are. There's various different sizes within this job, but we'll talk obviously what tools you need whilst we're doing it. So yeah, we're just going to remove all them, and then when you come back to us, we'll have lifted the seat out and we'll explain the wiring a little bit better. Everyone, I need a red light on that. Right, right, so we'll start again.
I'm rolling it.
Oh, well, anyways, right. I can cut that out. What am I doing? No, we're not doing that. Right, so we've removed the 8 nuts using the 16mm socket. 8 nuts have been removed. Put your seat back in, clip it back in. 2-man lift, or woman. Lift it up, just watch your wiring underneath. That's all clear. Right, let's talk about the wiring. These coloured ones are going to go back in together. So, red to red, yellow to green, just kidding. Yellow to yellow, green to green, and there's black to black. So that's all back together. Fuse box, we haven't touched that, we've just disconnected it from the seat itself. And then these are going to get disregarded, and then they live underneath here, nice and safe, out the way. Right, the seat lifted out now. We're going to remove these 4 bolts here, 22mm socket, quite easy to get out. That then will leave an M10 bolt hole, which we're going to put some bolts through the swivel into the chassis of the vehicle, I think. Right, we've got some M10 repair washers. These are going to sit nicely just over the front here. We'll push them just sitting underneath the carpet, just to make sure they're lying flat on the face of that bolt. And then the next step is to put the swivel itself over the front of these 4, lower it down and align the back for the bolts to go in. Right, we're going to lift our Endor swivel base for this T6.1 into position. 2-person lift. We're going to just line up with these holes just under here, just like so. Let that drop into place. That's located in now. We're going to remove the 5 locking knobs, slide this back, and that'll give us access to them studs coming up. So you can see there, that's going to sit nice and flat there, and then we'll get the nuts that we did take off, put them back on here loosely, just to line it up. Right, so we've installed the original OEM flange nuts, last one to go on there. Keep everything loose. We're going to install our fitting kit bolts with the oversized washer. They're going to drop through there into the original fixings, just like that. So that's 17mm, and then we'll switch back to the factory 16mm nuts. Like you see, I don't rely on the battery power to be enough. Always use a ratchet just to give it a bit more torque. But that's the swivel base fitted into the OEM factory bolt holes or studs. Next step is we're going to bring everything back, lock the swivel back in place, and drop the original seat back on top. Right, before we drop the seat back on, the swivel itself comes with some new flange nuts, because obviously we've stolen the original ones to mount the plate. We want to reuse these to nip the seat onto the swivel base. For the rear ones, we've still got them, so we're going to reuse the OEM flange nuts for the rear. I'm going to use these new ones for the front. Right, let's slide that back over. Drop it down there onto the stud, just like that. And then we're going to replace, we'll use the original flange nuts and then the 4 that we've supplied already fitted to the swivel base. So we're going to install them now. Right everyone, that is the FWX ENDOR T5 T6 double swivel fitted to this 74 plate VW transporter. Just a quick recap of what we've done and the tools we've used. 16mm socket to get your flange nuts off the seat. We've then got the 17mm socket which we need to put our fitting kit bolts in. 22mm socket to remove the factory OEM studs from the rear of the seat. Obviously, the first job is to get your electrics disconnected, which is quite easy just to clip out. You will be left with this part of plastic. You don't need that. Obviously, you've put all the cables underneath the carpet in the void that's there. Swivel's gone on. We've installed the bolts. We've installed the seat back on. Quick demonstration now of how this works. So we'll remove the transit knobs. Pull the seat to the rear of the van. Swivel it around nicely just like that. Best option, get this driver's seat pulled forward. Go in on a slight angle, just to miss the armrest. In like that. Clipped in, and that's it. So that's the FWX ENDOR swivel fitted to this T6. When it is in this position and you have got one of our RS rail systems, you can bring that to the front of the vehicle. Table in the middle, you've got a nice 4-person dining area. Obviously we can offer fitting at the FWX workshop, very easy to fit at home as you've just seen there. Basic tools needed, 30 minutes to get it fitted. If you'd like to come and view one, obviously you can visit the showroom, fwxdirect.com, book online to get a showroom tour and a walk around the factory to see our products. Any questions, please email. Thank you very much for watching this installation video.